Welcome back. So here we are on the 4-hour chart of Decentraland or MANA USDT, and we will be discussing the most possible trading scenario for the incoming days about Decentraland or MANA. So first of all, there's one thing that I want to point out is that market is making lower lows and lower highs. So recently market has broken below from the key level of support, which is 2.5 area. Market broke below this area, and also before this market made this corrective wedge pattern, and from this pattern we got broke to the downside direction. And before that we can also see that there was this bullish channel that got broken. After that market started to move in this bearish wedge pattern that got close, and now market is moving below the key support level. So this is a big indication of a bearish consolidation. Let me just remove all of the drawings from here. Okay, so by seeing these two patterns and a break of the major key level, we can say that at the moment mana or Decentraland is clearly in the bearish or downside trend. So it's currently now bearish, so we should focus on shorting opportunities, and I will talk about some long-term trade as well, where to spot buy this mana for the long term. But for now I'm discussing about the trading scenarios. So in terms of trading, we can see that as market has broken toward the from this area to the downside direction, and now it is moving around this area. If market moves to the upside, let me remove this and grab the path tool here. So if the market moves upside to this area, which is around 2.5 area, and start to show some bearish rejection, this will be an indication for selling. We can open short trades here. First target will be this area, 1.56 or 1.6 area, and then the final target will be 1.0996 area. Obviously we'll have to look for consolidation here, some bearish confirmation here, bearish divergence, and all that. If we don't have any confirmation on this area, we don't gonna be involved in any kind of trading scenario. So in terms of trading scenario, we can say that we can look for short trades here on this area on the test, if we got any bearish confirmation. On the other hand, there is one more possible move, that the current scenario, which is this support level we have, and market is moving above this area. If the market broke below, test this area, from this to the downside is expected as well. So also on the other hand, if we look at some long-term moving averages, I'm gonna just put 50 and 200 moving average. We can see that clearly that mana have a death cross here in the early December, that 50 and 200 day moving average cross to the downside. This is a big indication for bearish trend and bearish confirmation and bearish continuation. So by looking at the technicals, we can see that mana is more likely to go toward 1.5 area, and after breaking this area it can go up to the 1.10 area as well. And if market bounce to this area, come to this area and start to show any kind of bearish rejection, so from this area shorting trades would be a good plan. But obviously we'll have to look for some bearish confirmation on the downside direction. I'll make some videos about those consolidation as well in the incoming days, what to look for before entering a trade. But for now you can make yourself biased about the direction, which is to the downside direction. So yeah, this is it. And follow us here on YouTube in order to get more kind of analysis videos.